I'd like to talk about the definition of a set and set builder notation. First of all, let's go ahead and take a look at the definition of a set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. These objects are called elements. Let's take a look at an example of a set. The notation that we're going to use for a set are curly braces. Okay? So whatever I put inside these curly braces is going to be my set. So for example, let's say that I have 4 elements in my set, and maybe my elements are numbers, perhaps -½ square root of 2, 5, 9. So there is a set. We know it's a set because of the curly braces, and my set has a collection of 4 elements. Okay? Sometimes you're going to encounter a set with no elements. A set with no elements is going to be called the empty set. And the notation that we will use for the empty set is as follows. It's like a 0 with a line crossed through it. So this notation means the empty set, or the null set. There's nothing in our set. Okay, let's go on. Let's take a look at this set. Consider the set 5, 6, 7, comma, dot, dot, dot. Now let's first notice these dots here. What these 3 dots mean is that this pattern is going to continue forever. In other words, our set is actually going to contain the elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, forever and ever and ever. Okay? Now there's other ways that we could write this set. Notice my set contains the element 5 and all integers bigger than 5. So let's write that down. Our set contains all integers that are greater than or equal to 5. Okay? So that's what our set contains. Oftentimes we'll see this exact same set written this way. Okay, so again, my curly braces means that I'm going to have a set. Okay. Or equal to 5. And I'll go ahead and show you what this notation means. Again, we start with our curly braces. What this notation means is this. The curly braces means the set. Okay? It's the set of all x values. Okay? This vertical line means such that. Okay, so we have the set of all x such that x is an integer greater than or equal to 5. So this set here is identical to this one here. Okay, what this notation is called set builder notation. You're going to see some problems in your textbook that deals with set builder notation. So here's the set that we just defined. The set of all x such that x is an integer greater than or equal to 5. Okay, again, that's called set builder notation. Let's take a look at this last example. Notice we're given a set that's in set builder notation. So our set is the set of all x such that x is an integer between 2 and 9. So what I have to do is I have to find the set of all numbers, all integers, that are between 2 and 9. So the first integer then between 2 and 9 will be a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Notice here are all the integers that are between 2 and 9. So we can go back and forth. Sometimes it's easier writing our set in set builder notation, and oftentimes it's easier just listing the numbers out. Okay? So you need to practice set notation and set builder notation, and you might want to start taking a look at some of your homework problems in your textbook.